Beijing has surpassed New York City to become the new billionaire capital of the world. The world official as a new billionaire capital for the first time ever. Beijing is home to more billionaires than the New York City. According to Forbes' annual World's Billionaire list for 2021, the Chinese capital gained 33 new billionaires in 2020, bringing its total to 100 billionaires, and just edging out New York City's 99 billionaires per Forbes. The Big Apple added only 7 new billionaires in the same time span. In New York City is about 40% of the size of Beijing, with a population of 8.4 million versus Beijing's roughly 21 million. Beijing's richest resident is Zhang Yiming, the founder of TikTok, parent company ByteDance, who's worth $35.6 billion. In New York City, ex-mayor Michael Bloomberg is the wealthiest with a net worth of $59 billion. The US has long been home to more billionaires than any other country in the world, but China has been catching up. China and Hong Kong has minted 210 new billionaires in the past year, more than any other nation according to the Forbes report. The world's ultra-wealthy got even richer last year despite a pandemic and economic recessions. Globally, 660 people became new billionaires, bringing the world's total to 2,755 billionaires worth a collective $13.1 trillion per Forbes. The COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted the gap between the world's billionaires and everybody else. In the US, billionaires grew 44% rich in the pandemic. In the same period, 80 million Americans lost their job and nearly 8 million slipped into poverty.